We'll start it again. I'm so excited. In 5, 4.
We are preparing for, of course, the first year anniversary of Musica entitled 1-2010.
3, 2.
And it will be held in Michael J. Fox Theater on October 22nd, 2010.
I hope it's more. I don't want you to look awkward on stage.
I think it's time for us na buhayin yung entertainment at pasikatin itong mga batang to kasi we've got lots of local artists here in Canada na kailangan nating pag-ibayuhin pa, hanapin pa yung mga yon, tapos pagyamanin ang lahat. I think my life is actually belongs to stage. My life is the entertainment itself.
I would like to thank Vancouver Cemetery for my hair and makeup too.
The reason why I keep on doing this, it's because of my passion in the arts, our passion to introduce the culture and the arts of the Filipino people. Since nagbubukas na po ang international industry po sa mga Pinoy, I'm sure and I do believe na in the near future, dito po, isa po sa mga batang ito, magkakaroon din po ng pagkakataon para maipamalas din po ang kanilang angking kagalingan po when it comes to entertainment.
At exactly 9:15, we're going to reshoot our part 2.